Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Squarespace website using DropInBlog. Once logged into your Squarespace account, in your dashboard, choose the website you'd like to edit. Hover over your website and click on the Go to Website button that appears. When directed to the website editor, in the menu on the left, click on Pages under Website. From here, in the Pages section, you'll be able to add a new page, which will be your new blog page. To add a new page, click on the plus icon to the right of main navigation here. And in the pop-up menu, select Blank Page. Your new page will appear right under main navigation, titled New Page by default, so name your page how you'd like. We'll type in blog to be straightforward. Before we go any further, we'd just like to mention that you can rearrange the order of your page links in a navigation menu by clicking and dragging your page to where you want it, like so. You'll see your changes appear here in the preview. Back to adding your blog, make sure you're on your blog page and click on the Edit button over here. Once directed to the next page, click on this Add Section button. In the pop-up window, to the left, under Add a Section, click on Add a Blank Section. Then click on the Add Block button here. In the pop-up, under Basic, look for and click on Embed. Now, we want the embed block to be as wide as our page, so go ahead and resize the embed block, like so. Then we can edit the embed block by clicking on the pencil icon here. In the content pop-up window under Embed As, make sure that code snippet is selected. Then click on Embed Data over here. And here is where you'll need to add your code that you'll have to get from your DropInBlog account's code and layout page, which we have here open in a new tab. In your DropInBlog account's code and layout page under Blog Code, under Step 1, click on Copy Code here to copy your first line of code. Then go back to your Squarespace site editor and paste your code here. Then do the same for the second line of code. Go back to your DropInBlog's code and layout page. This time, click on Copy Code under Step 2. Then simply go back to your Squarespace site editor and paste the code right next to the first one you added earlier. After that, click anywhere outside the block you're editing and click on Save here on the upper left. Once the changes have successfully been saved, click on Exit here. You'll be taken back a page and you'll see a preview of your blog page over here. A thing to mention about Squarespace is if you have set your website to public, all of your pages will be published by default, so there's no extra step with having to publish. Now, to view your blog page, click on this arrow here on the upper right, and your page will be opened in the same tab. And the final step is to copy your blog page URL and add it to your DropInBlog settings page, which we have open in another tab. Once in your DropInBlog settings page under blog URL, paste the blog URL you just copied, then click on Save All Changes. Once saved, let's open our blog again in a new tab, paste your blog URL, hit Enter, and there's your blog. Let's click on a post to check it out. Here's one of our posts, and everything looks to be working great. And that's how you add a blog to your Squarespace website using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!